As a new human resource advisor, you'll be the go-to person for learning and development inquiries. But where do you find the right tools, reports, and resources to support employees effectively? That's where this module comes in. You'll get hands-on with HR Space, the learning management system where learning happens, explore dashboards that provide key insights, and navigate essential platforms like SharePoint and the intranet. By the end, you'll feel confident accessing and using these tools to support employee growth and development. Let's get started. Welcome to Module 3, Learning and Talent Development, Tools and Resources. By the end of this module, you will be able to navigate HR Space, the learning management system, to access courses and generate reports. Utilize learning and talent development dashboards, including the coaching and 360 feedback dashboard, to track employee development and performance insights. Locate and leverage key learning and talent development resources on SharePoint and the intranet to support learning and development initiatives. The toolkit is available at the end of this module. It provides additional insights, guides, and practical applications to reinforce your learning and support you in your role. Take some time now to explore this lesson, and I hope you enjoy the learning experience. Topic 1 focuses on HR Space, the learning management system. You will learn how to access learning programs, generate reports, and use the system effectively to support employee development. In addition to the standard HR Space access granted to all ESA employees, Human Resources Advisors have exclusive, limited learning administration access to track staff learning activities within their portfolio. Let's take a closer look. Now, you are on your HR Space Learning homepage. You'll see 3 tabs: Home, My Learning, and My Team. Currently, we are in the second tab, My Learning. Here, you'll find quick guides on how to navigate HR Space as a learner. If you want to explore the training catalog, simply click here. In the My Learning Assignments section, you'll see all courses assigned to you or those you have requested. On the right, in the Findings section, you can search for a course by typing a keyword from the course title or by clicking Browse All Courses. Here, you'll find all information about courses you have completed in the past. You can either use the drop-down menu or click View All to access your learning history. The Reports feature is available under the Links section. Additionally, other features such as Add to Learning History, Approvals, and Options and Settings are available, with further details provided in the quick user guide. Now, let's explore the My Team tab. In My Team, you can view all staff assigned to your portfolio, as listed in the Job Relation Portlet in Employee Central. You can search for a staff member by typing their name in the search box or selecting a name from the list. Clicking the drop-down menu next to a staff member's name will display their team members. Simply click on a name to access that person's learning data. For example, when you click on Sylvain, you can view his learning plan and learning status. As mentioned earlier, Human Resources Advisors have exclusive, limited learning administration access. By clicking on Admin Center from your HR Space main homepage, you will be directed to the Learning Administration section. Here, you'll see the streamlined Human Resources Advisors menu, which includes Learning Activities, People, and Reports. Click on Reports to view all the report types available to Human Resources Advisors. Now that you have a clear understanding of how to navigate HR Space learning and view staff learning activities, let's take a closer look at the reporting features available to Human Resources Advisors. Human Resources Advisors can generate learning reports on their staff's learning data through either Learning Administration in the Admin Center or the Links section on their learning front end. There are 3 types of reports available under Reports in Learning Administration, while only 2 listed under Report in the Links section. However, the steps to generate a report remain the same. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of generating a learning history report from the Human Resources Advisors Learning front end. Click on the drop-down menu of the Learning History Report to see the details. Always select the first option with CSV format. Once you click on this, a pop-up window will appear. In User, select HR Business Partners Employees. It is important to note, if you leave the selection on Self, the report will only display your own training data. Click here to select a completed date from field. Let's select January, the 1st as the start date. Then, set Complete Date to as March 14th. Leave these default format settings unchanged. Now, click Run Report and wait for the status to change to Succeeded. Now, the report is available. You can download it here, or open the file directly from here. Finally, click Close Window to return to the Learning homepage. This step-by-step process will help you generate other reports. Welcome to this walkthrough of the Coach Hub dashboard, where we'll explore key features that help HRAs track and manage their coachees' coaching engagement. On the landing page, you'll find key sections such as Insights, Budget, Programs, and Coachee List. The Overview tab includes insights on engagement, impact, and satisfaction, offering valuable data on coachees' participation, business unit details, gender benchmarks, career levels, and activity over a selected time period. You can apply filters to customize your view. To access the full list of coachees, click here. In the engagement section, you'll see the monthly average sessions per coachee. The graph provides an overview of the total number of coachees and the percentage of those progressing through different coaching stages. Another graph displays the distribution of coaching assignments by topic per round. Moving to the impact section, you'll find insights into top strengths and key areas for improvement. Additionally, this section highlights coachees' progress and goal completion based on their focus areas. One of the most important features is the coachee list. You can quickly find a coachee by typing their name here, or use the filter option to refine your search. This table provides details such as the coachee's name, program, status, number of sessions completed and scheduled, as well as their start and end dates. In the status column, you'll see indicators such as invited, matching, and active. This column also shows session completion details. Under Scheduled Sessions, you can check if any future sessions are booked. Clicking on a coachee's name reveals their individual coaching progress, including completed and upcoming sessions, focus areas, and any unattended or late cancelled sessions. This concludes our tour of the Coach Hub dashboard. Use these tools to track coachee progress and support engagement. Now, let's move on to the next section. HRAs have access to the 360-degree feedback dashboard through the Meta 5 platform, where you can track statuses in real time and access short reports. These reports help you prepare for follow-up meetings with participants. If they have used the Learning Goal tool, you will find this information on the last page of their report. The dashboard also provides an overview of who in your directorate has completed their 360-degree feedback in recent years, allowing you to better plan future batches. Here is how your personal homepage looks like. Running the feedback includes Review Progress, which will give you an insight into responses, and Results of Participants' Reviews, will allow you to access to the individual short reports. The information material will provide you with various information material, like examples of the different report versions or background information, in the 360-degree feedback. The maintenance of personal information is where you can change your own password. Now, take a look at the dialog Review Progress. Here, you can use the filter function to narrow down the view of existing processes and restrict it according to your requirements. Free text. You can search for individual processes by entering the name or email of the feedback participant. Start, end date between. By specifying the start, end date, you can display survey periods and processes, with a start, end date in the selected period. Status. Here, you can select processes based on their status. Only participants with perspectives below minimum return quota. By checking this box, you can display all feedback processes in which there are still perspectives that have not reached the minimum return quota yet. You can also use several filter functions at the same time. In this dialog, you can view the return quotas for the individual processes. Here, you can see for each perspective how many feedback providers have already completed the questionnaire, number before the slash, and how many have been invited, number after the slash. A red number means that the minimum return has not yet been reached in this perspective. Now, let's move on to the results of participants' reviews, where you can download the short reports of the participants within your area of responsibility. The filter function in this dialog works the same as in Review Progress. Just with fewer options, like in the dialog Review Progress, you can see the process status for each feedback process in the status column. If you move the mouse cursor to the symbol, an explanation is displayed. A report can only be generated if the self-assessment is complete. To download the report, simply click on the PDF symbol. The report will open according to your browser settings. In the column Follow-up, you can see every participant's status of the follow-up progress and the entered learning goals and learning activities respectively. Welcome to Section 1, Learning and Talent Development SharePoint. Now, let's explore the Learning and Talent Development SharePoint, a key resource for accessing all learning and talent development related information. The primary goal of this SharePoint online platform is to facilitate the sharing of learning and talent development activities and updates across the agency. On the homepage, you'll find key sections such as internal courses, external courses, learning and talent development pillars, and top space programs. These categories are designed to help you quickly locate the information you need. Scrolling down, you'll discover a dedicated section called Learning and Talent Development Guidelines, created exclusively for human resources advisors. This section provides useful guidelines on recommending courses and programs tailored to different staff profiles. Additionally, it outlines any special application procedures that may be required. For example, here you'll find guidelines on recommending courses and programs specifically tailored for managerial staff at different levels. Guidelines for newcomers. For junior professionals. For well-being. And for pre-retirement. Beyond this dedicated section, the SharePoint also includes additional learning and talent development guidelines and the latest updates on our learning initiatives. As we continue to enhance our SharePoint, you can expect an even more visually appealing and informative experience. Welcome to Section 2, Learning and Talent Development Intranet. In addition to the Learning and Talent Development SharePoint, the intranet serves as another essential platform for accessing learning and talent development updates, important HR policies, learning opportunities, and a comprehensive FAQs section. Open to all employees, the intranet plays a crucial role in keeping staff informed and engaged. Follow these steps to access learning and talent development resources. From the One ESA homepage, navigate to Corporate Functions. Then click on Human Resources to find the My Learning tab. Under Essentials, you'll find learning and talent development topics here, and the HR Space Learning Management System here. Additionally, all learning and talent development lectures are stored in this section. For information on space-related development programs, you can find the details here, right next to the FAQ section. For human resources advisors, the intranet is especially valuable as it provides quick access to key resources, enabling you to efficiently support staff development, stay up to date with policy changes, and navigate learning and talent development resources with ease.